How to fix Steam application load error fast and easy. Watch this before you waste time trying random fixes. To fix the application load error in Steam, first do the basic step. Fully close Steam, restart your computer, then try again. A lot of launch errors happen because something got stuck or an update did not finish. If restarting did not help, alright, let's go to the next step. Use the search bar at the bottom and type Steam. Right-click the Steam app, then click Open File Location. There, right-click the selected Steam app and open Properties. Then open File Location. Here find Stream Application and right-click on it. Then go to Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab at the top. Here, check the option Run this program as administrator. Sometimes this gives Steam or the game more permission, and that can fix blocked launch errors. After that, click Apply, then OK. Now open Steam and try again. If you still see the application load error, don't skip the next method. Go back to File Explorer. Find the same Steam application you used in the first method. This time, right-click the Steam app and click Copy. Then open Steam. Go to Library at the top. Now find the game or app showing the load error, right-click it and open Properties. In the pop-up window, click Installed Files. Here, right-click any empty space and paste the copied file. Now your application load error should be fixed. Still having trouble? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.